Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick PC building tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to install DDR5 Ram in your motherboard. Today we're going to be using Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5. It's 2 sticks of 16. We're going to be installing that in my MSI MPG Z690 carbon Wi-Fi motherboard. It's really quite simple to do. If you are interested in any of the components I'm using in my build, I'll have them all linked below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so I've got my MSI MPG Z690 carbon Wi-Fi motherboard here, and the first thing I need to do is figure out where to put the RAM. So I've got 4 DIMM slots right here, and it's very important you put the RAM into the DIMM slots in the correct order. So these are located right next to where your CPU goes. They're kind of long slots there, and there's a couple ways to figure that out. If I grab the motherboard here, we'll take a closer look. Right next to the DIMM slots here, I do have a little picture, and it's showing me that I want to use the first and the third DIMM slots right here. You can also find this information in the manual. So this is very important for putting your RAM in the correct spots. So in the manual, it also talks about if you're only using 1 stick of RAM, where you would put that. And that would be the third slot here. If you're using 2, again, the first and the third. And of course, if you're using 4, you would use all 4 of them up. So once you've figured out which DIMM slots you're going to use, you can see there's little tabs on either end of those DIMM slots. We're just going to pop those back. So you just push them down like that and they pop back. I'm going to do that on all 4 of them, just like that. And then we're going to grab our RAM. Now there's a little notch here right in the middle, and there's a notch in the middle of our RAM here. And we want to line that up and make sure that our RAM is in the correct direction. So I know for myself, this Vengeance logo, the front of the RAM is going to face outwards. So we're going to slide that into the track. And again, double check that that notch does line up. You don't want to put it in backwards and push your RAM down and damage it. Make sure it is in the correct direction. And we're going to put that first one in the third slot here and make sure it is in the channels. And let me just turn this a little bit here. Once we're in the correct spot, we're just going to give it a good push and it should snap into place. There you go. Both of those snaps pop back into place. You can give them a little push there to make sure they're in. Then we're going to grab our second piece of RAM here and again line that up in the slots. Make sure it's in there. Make sure that the notches line up. And again, we're going to give that a good push. It's going to snap into place. Make sure those tabs pop back into place and it's in there properly. And that is it. We've got our DDR5 RAM installed in our motherboard. Other than when your PC build is complete, I double check in your BIOS to make sure that your RAM is set to the correct speed. So I hope this tutorial was able to help you install your DDR5 RAM in your motherboard. If it did help you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.